Welcome. In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 5, and I'm gonna show you how to change the GPS mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our smartband. To do it, simply double tap on the screen, like this. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick settings. Here, scroll up by swiping down on the screen. Tap on the settings option. And settings, scroll down. And tap on the GPS option. And right here, we have GPS. And as you can see, it says dynamic. That's the default one. Basically, dynamic option will switch between the built-in GPS on your band and GPS on your phone. And it's gonna use both of them to get the most accurate readings. But you can change this. We can tap on this GPS option to toggle between different options. Next we have built-in, and this option will only use the built-in GPS on your band, and it's gonna use more battery life, of course, on your band because it's gonna use only one, the one built-in. And next option is phone, and this option will only use the GPS on your phone, so it's gonna use less battery, but it might be less accurate, basically because your phone is in your pocket. So I don't know if this option is really less accurate, but for sure it's gonna use less battery than only using the built-in one. And of course dynamic, like I said before, is both of them. It's gonna switch between phone and built-in GPS. You can also scroll down right here and you have option called reset to default. Basically this is resetting the settings of the GPS to default, and at the bottom we have GPS info, and here we can basically, as you can see, it says to go to the Fitbit.com to check the information about GPS. Okay, and that's how you change the GPS mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.